Morning, can I see your driver's license?
Yes.
Right.
There's my driving
Good,
license.
right, get yourself ready. Right, today we've got Yuliyan in for test, first attempt with me. How are you feeling, Yuliyan?
A little bit nervous, but I think I'll be okay.
Right, there was one thing of last lesson. You know when we come out of this junction? When we come to the junction, you pulled out in second gear and I says, could you see there? And you says, yeah.
Yes, I remember that.
Now, when I dropped you off and I went back the same way, there was 2 cars parked on the left-hand side. And I couldn't see properly, so guess what I done?
You went on the first.
I went on the first because I couldn't see. So there's no way I says, could you see there? And you says, yeah, I could see. I couldn't see.
Right.
Cars were still in the same place. Now, if there'd just been one park on, you could see, maybe get away with it if you could see clearly. But you couldn't see anything. And I'm thinking, wow. I just rolled up and stopped and then couldn't see. I crept forward. What did you do?
I just proceeded.
So we won't do that today, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, go on and off you go. What'd your partner say?
He just said, you know, observe the road markings and just make sure you stay calm and just leave enough gap and...
Yeah, you have to stay calm, yeah?
Yep.
Right, go on.
Just
Warm today, isn't it? Warm today?
Yeah, yeah, and yesterday was lovely weather as well.
You got the day off?
Yes, for today. And tomorrow I'm gonna be in London.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm traveling tonight.
Wow.
So it's overall it's gonna be a busy day.
Now, this is that junction I was talking about. Turning right.
Slow down. Yep.
But we had no signal on.
Oh.
I know there was nobody above, but I would still be indicating, yeah?
Yep.
Does anybody know that you got your driving test book?
Just 1 or 2 people. I'm trying to, yeah.
Keep it quiet.
Keep it quiet. Not jinx it.
Well, you put the hard work in, you deserve it.
Sorry.
Can you do your parallel park on this car? We'll come back to that.
Yeah.
When you're ready. Good observations. Yep. Yeah, very high standard. Well done. Right, drive on when you're ready. Concentrate. Stop. Yeah, well done. Good stuff. Drive on when you're ready.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good technique. Got that?
Yep.
Good stuff. Well done. Yep. Yeah, good. Can you drive? Be careful of the curb behind you. Can you drive it forward and to be on the left or right? Very good standard again, yeah? Very good. But yeah, all manoeuvres really good, well done, excellent stuff. I'm a bit worried now when people drive like this. They normally have a serious fault on the driving test. Your driving's been to a really good standard.
Okay.
There was anything you'd like to do with me? Any manoeuvre, emergency, anything you want to do before we go to the test?
No, that's okay. I just want to go through the questions about the under the bonnet and tell me questions because I'm not sure about them. I mean, I've rehearsed them. I went through them again, but. I don't think I'll be able to get in that one.
Yeah, that's all.
I think. Oh yeah. I think I'm in.
That'll do for me, yeah. Right. Yeah, well done, it's in, it's a bit close, but you can get plenty of room out of there, haven't you? Right, have you any questions before we go in? It's time to wish Yuliyan the very best of luck. Prediction, are you going to pass?
I'm gonna pass.
How many minors?
Today?
Yeah.
How many I had so far?
No, how many are you going to make on your driving test?
None.
None?
Well, maybe 3. Up to 3 max.
Oh yeah, I'm going to go for... When he's been doing mock tests, he's only been doing 2 minors, haven't you? So I'm going to go for 1 minor. If he stays calm, he's got a really good chance. If he gets flustered, he hasn't got any chance.
Yeah.
But feeling confident after the drive this morning, because it's been to quite a high standard. But normally when they drive like this, tend to feel. Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done.
Yes, I've passed.
Hey, tell
There's
them
my certificate.
How many faults?
Only 2 minor.
What were the 4?
One of them was because there was a light and I just stopped quite far away from the lights, and the other one was I think on when I was parking forward, my car a little bit shoot forward.
No, you got 2. You got minor fault. Yeah, you got 2 minor faults, driver faults. One for shooting forwards when he drove into the beer. You had to correct it, didn't you?
I had to. Oh yeah.
And he positioned too far away from the curb when pulling up on the left.
Yeah.
So yeah, well done.
Thank you.
No, I didn't do it. What was it? Was it hard?
No, not actually. I remained calm and I was just like, slowing down in a plenty of time before any junction to give myself time to think. So yeah, all the lessons paid off. All the lessons paid off.
Well done. Did the mock driving tests help? Did the mock driving tests help you?
Oh, definitely. I watched it actually last night, and I made sure that I'm checking every single time my blind spots.
And what was the exam like? Was you okay?
Yeah, we had a little chat.
Yeah.
He was very friendly.
Yeah.
But also he allowed me to concentrate. So I was very, very happy.
Oh, well done. Good stuff. What were you like when I first met you?
Yeah, my driving technique was completely wrong,
Yes.
and I had to work a couple of lessons only to correct that at first.
It's lovely and smooth now, isn't it?
Yeah, very smooth.
Very skillful driver now, this one. Definitely.
I'm very, very happy.
Yeah, it's a good feeling, isn't it?
Finally, yes. It is because it took me ages. Because I started my driving journey
Yeah.
to get the license before the pandemic.
Before the COVID, yeah.
Before the COVID, and I had my first test that failed.
Yes.
And then I had to wait for the entire pandemic, and my theory test expired, so I had to apply for another theory test, and then again. It was a nightmare.
Well done. Oh, you drove to a really good standard the hour before.
Yeah, well, definitely my driving has improved tremendously.
Well done.